Societies all over the world are currently bombarded with images and messages that reinforce the ideation that in order to be happy and successful, females must be thin and feminine and men must be masculine and muscular. Adolescents have been socially conditioned to believe a distorted perception of beauty which has been communicated through popular culture and commercial media. This video project will discuss the implications of popular culture evoking an unattainable ideal of beauty, consequently leading to negative physical and mental concerns among the malleable male and female students of the adolescent population. Body image is defined as how an individual would feel about their own bodies aesthetically and how attractive they would perceive themselves. Many adolescents feel fatally flawed when their build, breasts, weight, or hips do not match the models advertised in the media. The ideal beauty trend has become a problematic health risk for the adolescent population as it affects lifestyles, behaviors, and self-esteem. Let's take a look at why our adolescents feel this way. Major corporations are smart to target children and adolescents because they understand that our society is currently immersed from a cradle-to-grave cycle. Miller states that young people accounts for $300 billion of expenditure by parents across the United States. Major corporations also utilize another strategy called transmedia intertextuality. This is when merchandising and mass marketing construct a flow that links everything together. We can see an example of transmedia intertextuality marketing through the development of Ninja Turtles, television, music, toys, food, and clothing. As long as it brings the corporations wealth, they do not care if they are promoting ideologies that will affect the adolescent's mental and physical health. The media utilizes different methods like commercialism, reality television, music videos, and other mediums to shape popular culture. The content of these mediums will usually contain presuppositions about beliefs and practices that shape the adolescent's perception of reality. Kellner proposed this process as encoding, and unfortunately, adolescents will not have the critical thinking ability to reject the images they see. This over time will lead to body dissatisfaction and ultimately eating disorders. Here is a short clip of how children are affected by the media. This is an example of age compression, where marketers will target younger children so they would start doing what the older kids are doing. Current research has indicated an association between negative body image and a variety of negative health implications such as body dysmorphic disorder, anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. A study conducted by Harrison and Hefner revealed that 47% of girls reported that they were eager to adopt a diet to lose weight after looking at unrealistic images with beautiful females. Adolescents are subjected to all these forms of media, but what they do not know is that according to the Center of Disease Control, the average male height is 69.4 inches, which is around 5 feet 7 inches, and their average weight is around 194 pounds. On the other hand, the average female height is 63.8 inches, which is around 5 feet 3 inches, and their average weight is around 164 pounds. Other than physical consequences, children and adolescents are also subjected to social consequences regarding poor body image. Negative body image is often associated with low self-esteem and poor interpersonal relationships among friends, family, and significant others. Meltzer and McNulty followed 135 newlyweds in a longitudinal study and concluded with results indicating body image is positively associated with relationship satisfaction. Therefore, should an individual suffer from negative body image, they are more likely to have concurring low self-esteem. The results of my investigation via video indicates that the current physical and social health risks associated with body image have ultimately been shaped by popular culture media. A television show is no longer just a television show. It becomes an international corporate campaign that shapes the minds of hundreds of millions of children and adolescents. From toy figurines to trading cards to interactive video games, the amount of money spent on promotion and products ranges into the billions. The lines between reality and fantasy of body image have been blurred to the extent that there are no longer distinctions between the two. These two ideals have overlapped to the extent that individuals continue to crave the need to enhance their beauty in order to be more appealing. In order to combat the hidden messages encoded within the media and popular culture, A conscientious effort must be present to teach our children and adolescents today to decode these messages properly. Children and adolescents should be able to make their own choices in what they want to believe in.